Hello sunshines, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my signature high bun, which is super easy. It's a messy bun that I do all the time. And I've especially been doing buns a lot this winter. And the beauty of it is that a messy bun will look a little bit different every single time you do it. I could make it look neat and elegant, or I could make it look effortless and messy in a good way. And you guys seem to think that I do something really special and like it's harder than it actually is, which is a good thing and a compliment to me, because every time I wear it on Instagram, you guys seem to think I'm doing something different or something new. So since a lot of you have been requesting it lately, here's how I do my signature go-to messy high bun.
I keep waiting like you might change your mind.
First, just to update you before we start, this is about third day hair after deep conditioning and co-washing my hair like 3 days ago. And if you followed my blog and saw my most recent winter products blog post, there I spoke about how I recently started to prioritize deep conditioning, which I wasn't doing before, and it's made a huge change in my hair. I used to deep condition like maybe once a month, or several months would go by before I even deep conditioned, so it was very inconsistent for me. And I was basically unhappy with my hair during that point, and now I'm much happier with my hair. So my 3-day hair, my 4-day hair looks so much better. And I believe it's because, one, I finally trimmed my hair. I got a trim so it's a little shorter, but it's healthier. My ends are much healthier, and a huge weight was just lifted off because I didn't want to keep holding on to my ends not working with me, and I also wasn't taking care of my hair as much as I used to. So the point is, I've been deep conditioning every single week and making sure that I do it every single week. So 3 days ago, I deep conditioned with my Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which is one of my favorite masks, and it's the one that I recommended in the blog for winter. And it's for everyone that just needs deep conditioning. It's not just for curly hair. I just happen to have curly hair. But today I really want to show you guys how I do my signature bun when I'm restyling my hair. So I'm gonna have to mess my wash and go up a little bit. Before I start, I must have a water spritzer at hand to dampen my hair, also a strong black hair tie, and a few bobby pins. And now, like with all my hairstyles, I like to start off by dampening my hair first, but not everywhere, and I don't want it to be too wet. I just dampen the edges, front and back, because that's what I'll be gathering up into a bun. Now I apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Today I'm using this one from Briogeo's Curl Charisma line. That bottle was empty, so luckily I had a new one. And I'm only taking a small amount, focusing it on the edges, front and back again, to smooth and hydrate my curls a little bit. And I like to add a little bit of oil, especially on the front and very back of my hair where it's typically dry, because it helps lessen frizz. And this is the Rosarco oil, which I love for my regular curly styling also, but I don't want my hair to look dry with a messy bun either. Lastly, I'm applying a little bit of gel for frizz control, and this one is also from Briogeo's Curl Charisma line. And I only use a little bit, focusing on the edges again where the hair is most exposed. And now I can begin gathering my hair high up into a bun, and you can gather your hair up as loose as you like so that your texture shows, or you can smooth it up to show less texture and make it more sleek by using a brush. But I'm just using my hands because that's what I use most. And once I feel like I have a comfortable gathering, I tie my hair up, not too tight though, so I only twist around the hair tie once. And by this point my arms get really tired, I lose blood circulation, and I know this happens to you guys too. Here I'm drinking this really tasty KeVita drink with probiotics, which is my alternative to kombucha since I can't drink kombucha right now. But back to the hair. Now I'm basically going to loosely drape my hair around and create a good sized bun. So the tighter you drape your hair around, the smaller your bun will be, and the looser you drape your hair around, the bigger your bun will be. And I just simply pin it down in place as I'm draping it around. And as you can see, as I'm draping it around, I'm not pulling my curls. This way it doesn't stretch my curls, and you can visibly see my texture is still curly, not stretching it whatsoever, because I want it to be big and show my curls at the same time. And now that that's in place, I can kind of pull on my hair, make it bigger if I want to, and tuck away any curls. That's the beauty of having textured hair. Like if there's anything popping out, you can tuck it away. And now to slay your edges, and this is what really pulls the look together. So I'm starting off with my Rosarco oil because I need the hydration on the edges, and it also helps with the gel that I'm going to apply later and smoothing everything down and making it look naturally smooth. Here I'm using my same gel, just putting it on the edges basically and on the sides of my hair because I'm gonna brush that area out. But before I do that, I'm using my hair toothbrush to take out the baby hairs that I'm interested in showing first. So I'm just taking them out first, and then we're gonna go in and make everything look neat. And now with my hair toothbrush, I'm smoothing down all the area before the baby hairs that I want to look neater. And I take a little tiny bit of gel at a time on my toothbrush and I start smoothing my baby hairs, but as you can see, I'm holding it down with my finger to make it have that swirly effect. Again, taking a little bit of gel at a time and smoothing it down. And as I hold my hair down like this, it's just preventing from the rest of my hair and the back to kind of come forward and mess everything up. I hope this is making sense to you guys because it's kind of hard to explain. But here I'm also kind of messing it up with my hands as it dries so that it has more of a natural look. Because I do not like when baby hairs look too perfectly neat. My hair is too short in the back, so I have to brush it through and then pin it in place so that it doesn't come out throughout the day. Now I got my really comfortable, messy looking but still kind of neat bun. And what makes this look a little neater, as you can see, is just that I tamed my baby hairs. And my baby hairs is something that always changes. I can never do it the exact same way every single time. Sometimes it comes out better than other days. But my personal trick for baby hairs is to just lay them neatly as I can. And then when it's kind of settled a little bit, I go in with my dry fingers and kind of mess it up a little bit. Push it a little forward so it gets kind of like that not so neat look. This way my baby hairs look like it's just naturally slayed that way. But yeah, that works for me. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Well, subscribe to my channel right down below so you don't miss my next video. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye, sunshines.